Good morning, friends. Myself Kedar Badeka, and today I am taking your lab number 7 of the subject of basics of industrial engineering. So, the lab number 7, which is about the exercise on the statistical quality control techniques, right? So, in very short period of time, in the next one or two lectures, we just completed the quantitative techniques of the uh, quality controls, and in the next series of the one or two lecture we start the statistical quality control techniques. But you have to write down this exercise from your textbook about the various kind of the statistical quality control techniques. So there are the basically two types of the quality control technique. First, which is we can control the quality with the qualitative method, and second, which is the quantitative method. And here we are discussing about the statistical. That means you have some kind of the numbers, you have some kind of the strong data. Based on that, using that kind of the data, you have to we can say that suppose you have the previous product data, right? How the that product is sold in the market, how that kind of the quality related problems we are uh, getting from the market. So you have this previous kind of the data regarding that kind of the product. Based on that data, based on that statistical data, if we are using any kind of the concept, there are the many statistical quality control techniques. First of all, you have to write down in this exercise, first of all you have to write down the basically available various kind of the statistical quality control techniques. With using that statistical quality control techniques, you have to explain all this technique in very short and sweet manners, and how we can use that kind of the statistical quality control techniques in a particular in the engineering applications. You have to explain that kind of the things in 3 to 4 pages in your exercise. So I think you clear the concept of the statistical quality control, what I am want to say, what I want to say, what I want to explain you in this exercise. First of all, you have to write down there are the various kind of the what kind of the various kind of the basic statistical quality control techniques are available in your syllabus. Based on that, you have to write down about that technique, how we can use that particular technique in the various kind of the applications. So you have to explain all these things into 3 or 4 pages in this exercise. Still, if you have any kind of the doubts, queries regarding this statistical quality control techniques, right, we can say that there is a various methods of the analysis or variance. There is some kind of the statistical quality control techniques. Some of the chart techniques are also available. There are the P charts, N charts, C charts. All that statistical chart techniques are also available. You have to write down about that charts and how we can use that charts for the statistical quality controls. If the data are, if some kind of the statistics are available with you, then how we can utilize that statisticals to control the quality of the product, that you have to write down in your this exercise. Still, if you have any kind of the doubt regarding these sessions, this lab session, you can ask any kind of your questions, queries into the comment sections. I will definitely sort out your queries in the next 1 or 2 hours after your comments. After watching these video sessions of the lab, you have to write down your enrollment number into the comment sections, which is counted as your online attendance. So this is all about the lab session 7 of the basics of industrial engineering. Thank you so much for watching this lab sessions.